So I found this great path along Lake Burrumbeet. And look at this wonderful tree. And there's a whole heap. I think these are the red river gums. And they're all along Lake Burrumbeet. Right along the edge. You know, the rest is all being farmed. It's all farmland and the rolling hills, rolling green hills. Woo! So I can come down here. It's not far from my campsite, and it's easy for my dog Honey to be off the lead because the track ends up there. They've got a whole heap of rocks, great big boulders, and put in the middle of the path. So you can only walk this track now. So yeah, it's beautiful. There's the other side of the tree. This morning I woke up to all the beautiful blue wrens, and there was these green bigger birds and the swallows. They were on these reeds eating the seeds off the top. And then there was on the lake these black swans. And then the black swans took off, and aren't they spectacular? I've never seen that. There were six swans, and they're huge when they take off. They are so graceful. And there's another beautiful tree, so I'm going to show you the path down to that one. It's just beautiful.